The theme of this year's conference is innovating together, and this is really two words that individually are very, very important. The innovation part is very important. The research and education field continues to innovate. That's its real reason for being. And innovating together because it's by together that we actually achieve what we need to achieve in the future. So innovating together really brings the two concepts that we want to stress this year, both the innovation and the togetherness. There are several keynote speakers this year. We're very lucky because we have some of the leading lights from the research, education, networking field from both industry and academia. So we have several notable people from the United States as well as from Europe. So we're able to combine in really a discussion about the future of academic research and networking from all the different aspects, really from the pure research and education part and also from the industry part. Every year it seems to be that we increase the numbers. This year we have about 650, I think, in total. So it's quite a large group, and that actually makes the logistics sometimes a little bit difficult. But everybody is here, and they're people who are working, also at universities, research labs, industry, and they all meet here to discuss what are the issues with research networking, where are we going, what do we need to do for the future.
This workshop was about how NRENs can move forward together on sustainability and green ICT. We have some experience in the GEAN program, in the GN3 and GN3 Plus program on working on sustainability and green ICT issues. And we really would like to take it to the next level. And what we here wanted to discuss is how we could, on the policy level, how we could move NRENs forward. So, on the higher levels in the management of the NREN organizations, etc.
From the Prince Claus Conservatory of Groningen, from Anne Arpets Conservatory in Hanheim, I requested twice, and now I set it to the leader of the band, and then he will introduce the band. Well, the LOL project is an idea which came out of a group of musicians in 2005 when they saw a masterclass between Miami Beach and Pisa in Italy. And the masterclass had a half-a-second delay, so they could teach, but it was a walkie-talkie. And so they came to us, technologists, and said, well, what about if you make it possible to play together? And my answer was, forget about it. And then they insisted, so they asked again, but are you sure you can do? Technology is progressing. And we said, we might think about it. And after 3 years, we went back and told them, we might try. And then it took another couple of years of trials and errors. And in 2010, in the beginning, we told them it works. And that is how it was born. It was a composition of musical people, technical people which understand each other. That was the most important part of it.